nuggets. Ha ha! Evan, you'll never! Ha ha! He'll never notice. Cameraman! What? No, the cameraman knows. But the cameraman is... me. Okay, it's fine. Can I eat the rest? Can I eat the next one? Fine. Kitty Mouse has been in there, so I'm not eating that last one. Okay. I'm going to leave him alone with the chicken nuggets and see if he eats them. I have no control over what he does. I literally have no control over what he does. So. Okay. Bye, kitty. Now don't eat the chicken nugget. He knows. What's he doing? He better not eat my milkshake.
Do you want one, Kitty? No, Kitty, you get... Okay,
He liked that probably. Okay, guys, so Hannah gave me another chicken nugget. Should I eat it? Like the video if I should eat it. Nah, you didn't like. What's that? I wonder what it is. Bye-bye, cat food's yucky.